day 20. Can you believe it? How did we get to day 20? And we're just leaving our beautiful room and we are going to Animal Kingdom today. Are you ready for Animal Kingdom, Scott?
I am ready for Animal Kingdom, Cara.
Okay, I'm just going to show you Scott's outfit today. He's got his really cute Star Wars top on. Haven't you?
Oldie.
Oldie but goodie. So off we go. Are you excited to meet the animals? And go on dinosaur?
Yeah. See the monkeys.
See the monkeys? Oh, it's such a nice park, but it is really windy. It's going to be really rainy today, so I'm not sure this is the right park to choose, but we've got a fast pass for Avatar. We can't miss that, can we? Can't miss it, can't miss it.
Oh no, bag check.
£3,000
There's a rhino over there.
But while they
Gotta keep moving though.
so very big, they
Dangerous.
can still get moving.
The Yeti. You did, didn't you? You were so brave. I think they should give you a sticker when you get off there, don't you? I survived. We're now in Pandora. Pretty amazing here, isn't it, Scott?
Yeah.
And these people are blue like I was yesterday. After my swimming costume disaster. So we're just... Behind me are the floating mountains of Pandora. We all got a quick shower, didn't we? Very quick shower. And now we're going to go and get some food, hopefully, at the boardwalk before we get the bus to Magic Kingdom, because I really want to see the fireworks. It's the only night they're on, because the Halloween party this time of year, they don't have the fireworks on. So it's the only night to do it, so we'll just have to see if we can get in to watch them, if the weather holds up, because it's so hot at the moment. It's in the 80s, but it's really humid, and we've had a lot of rain today because of Storm, what was it called? Michael. Storm Michael was hitting the Panama side of Florida, so it's really, really rainy, but really, 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 really hot. So you just never know with this weather, do you, darling? It could go one way or another, couldn't it? Doesn't it Scott look cute tonight though? Look really cute, his little shirt. Oh, bless him. Yeah, so we're going to get some food. Scotty? I knew you were going to say that. Forney. It's a restaurant on the boardwalk, Italian restaurant. Right, we got in, so that was good, wasn't it? Didn't have to wait, so it's all good. So we're just going to have some food before we get on the bus to Magic Kingdom. We made it, Scott. We've come to Magic Kingdom to see the fireworks.
Can't believe that. At that restaurant, on that bus, here, bag check.
10 minutes. Yeah.
10 minutes to spare.
It's our first view of the castle this year, Scotty.
Gonna make tonight, it's do or die, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not, they're not on otherwise, so we had to go.
Happily ever after.
Happily ever after.
Very, very busy.
I think it's nearly as busy as 4th of July. That's because every night, apart from tonight, is a Halloween night. So everybody tries to get the longest day and watch the fireworks. So if I had a criticism of Disney, it's that you're just trying to get too much money out of people by too many parties. And then people all try and come on the other days. But
how much is it for the ID tag?
Yeah.
They tried to make up with the magic hours, but there's just too many people here to get on.
There's too many people. Oh, the light's gone. We decided to call it a night. I'm not sure if you can see us. We're in front of the castle. It's so busy, isn't it? And we decided to come back on Friday. But look how pretty the castle looks. So we say goodbye, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
I don't know if that came out or not.